欧洲一所小学为了庆祝学期结束，现场架起充气城堡等游乐设施，没有想到却突然刮起强风，把充气城堡吹上天，造成多名孩童从10公尺高空坠落，造成5名孩童不幸死亡，4人重伤的不幸悲剧。
漏气了的彩色充气城堡不再欢乐，防水塑胶布快散落在草皮上。当天是塔斯马尼亚省希尔克雷斯特小学的学期最后一天，一群6年级孩子正开心玩耍，没想到瞬间强风，充气城堡飞天，孩子从10公尺高空坠落，造成伤亡。
Police and emergency services were called to the scene around 10 a.m. this morning after a wind gust had reportedly caused the jumping castle and inflatable Zorb balls to lift into the air. Quickly began administering first aid at the scene. On a day when these children were meant to be celebrating their last day of primary school.
总理莫里森表示心痛难以言喻。事发后，其他家长收到通知，赶往学校接回孩子。根据地方媒体报道，一位家长表示，校方以前就办过类似的充气城堡活动，没有出过问题。大家都没想到这种开心场合却悲剧收场。
The investigation is underway. The coroner has visited the scene already. We'll be supplying a report to the coroner. In conjunction with WorkSafe Tasmania，
类似事件过去就曾发生。2019年，中国河南刮大风，将孩童卷上天，从20公尺高空跌落，2死20伤。2016年，英国艾塞克斯郡一处游乐园2名员工没把充气城堡钉牢，造成1名7岁女童被吹到半空中坠地殒命。公视新闻黄韵玲编译。